Hello everyone and welcome to Sign Up Series 25, where we have a new track that has been constructed, where basically they go down like the usual. Then here is where the track ends, and then they have to go onto the crush cars, and it balances it out because I've tested it with Hotwheels versus Spinmaster, and it does balance it out because Spinmaster has won a few races, same with Hotwheels. So it's not guaranteed to be the fastest, it's guaranteed to be the luckiest who wins. Anyway, let's get into the first race. In Bigfoot, we have Dolphin Master. And in Monster Mutt Dalmatian, we have Caden GR81. 3, 2, 1, go. And Monster Mutt Dalmatian takes the win. Bigfoot tried using his speed, but failed, while Monster Mutt Dalmatian rolled across the finish line. In Pirate's Curse, we have Tender 12. And in Bakugan Dragonoid, we have Monster Jam Extreme. 3, 2, 1, go. Bakugan Dragonoid takes the win. Monster Jam Extreme shows Tender 12 who's the boss in Bakugan Dragonoid, while Pirate's Curse, aka Tender 12, finishes on his lid, not even managing to make it to the finish line. In Nitro El Toro Loco, we have the Chocolate Drive, and in Megalodon, we have Little Chip Chocolate. 3, 2, 1, go. I wasn't sure who took the win there, so we'll have to go to the replay. Megalodon almost left the area as El Toro Loco was flipping over the finish line. In Backwards Bob, we have Insane Warbus. And in the Carbonator, we have Monster Jam Top Dog. 3, 2, 1, go. Because of the glare of the sun, I couldn't see who won, but it is probably obvious in the replay. Backwards Bob was over the edge, almost flying off the track, while the Carbonator took the win on its side. In Totals, we have George, and in Sparkle Smash, we have Maddie. 3, 2, 1, go. Totals took the win. Sparkle Smash was too busy doing a wheelie as Totals took the win. It's Logan and the Yellow Dragon, and in the Neon Son of a Digger, we have Atomic Gaming. 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty sure Neon Son of a Digger took the win. Dragon was on his side, while Neon Son of a Digger was on his wheels on the rims. In Nitro Gravedigger, we have RRC Family Gaming. And in Rainbow Blast, we have Husky Racing. 3, 2, 1, go. Rainbow Blast finished on his two wheels for the win, as RRC Family Gaming was barely short of the finish line. We have Mother Cyclops in Loco Pump, and a debuting driver in Demo Derby, who is Faisal Al-Sharif. I'm not sure if I said that correctly, but sorry if I did. 3, 2, 1, go. Loco Punk was caught doing a barrel roll as Demo Derby took the win doing a forward roll. For the halftime show, we have Earthshaker going against a Corvette. 3, 2, 1, go. Of course, the Corvette wins, but still, it was just for a show. I got something extra for round 2. There's a jump. So anyone who's unfortunate enough to hit the jump may go flying off. But let's see if anyone does. It's Cadence GR81 in Monster Dalmatian, and in Bakugan Dragonoid we have Monster Jam X3. 3, 2, 1, go. Monster Mutt Dalmatian takes the win. Bakugan Dragonoid cleanly took the jump as Monster Mutt Dalmatian did a bicycle for the win. In El Toro Loco Nitro, we have the Chocolate Drive, and in the Carbonator, we have Monster Jam Top Dog. 3, 2, 1, go. Carbonator took that win. They both decided to take the jump, but Carbonator was bouncing over everywhere, but still managed to take the win. This is Atomic Gaming in the Neon Son of a Digger. And in the debuting truck, totaled, we have George. 3, 2, 1, go. Totaled took the win. Neon Son of a Digger slowed down as Totaled flew like a bird to victory. In Demo Derby, we have Faisal Al-Sharif versus Husky Racing in Rainbow Blast. 3, 2, 1, go. Demo Derby took the win. Both of them jumping high, almost onto the walls, but Demo Derby came out victorious. In Monster Mutt Dalmatian, we have Cadence GR81, and in Carbonator, we have Monster Jam Top Dog. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, I'm pretty sure Carbonator took that win. Monster Mutt Dalmatian was doing a wheelie as Carbonator was crashing over the line. In this race, we have two different types of debuts, a debuting truck and a debuting driver. In total, we have George. And in Demo Derby, we have Faisal Al-Sharif. 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty sure Total took the win. Demo Derby took out one of this post right here as Totals took the win. It's Monster Jam, Top Dog, and Carbonator versus George in Total. It's a best of 3, but the crush cars will not be reset at the end of every race. So you could get an advantage or a disadvantage. So let's find out who's going to win. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know who won that. It was kind of hard to see, so let's have that replay. They both hit the ramp, not even disturbing a single crush car, and Carbonator took that win as Totaled hit the ramp and went funky. Monster Jam, Top Dog, and Carbonator has 1 win, so you only need 1 more to win. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, go. And Carbonator does it. Both of them hit the ramp at the same time, which caused Carbonator to do a corkscrew to the finish line. Thanks for watching. Congratulations to Monster Jam Top Dog. See ya in the next video. Join his Discord channel. Like and subscribe. Super close. Pretty good so far. 128 at current while recording. Anyway, see you later. See you in the next video. Bye.